Good morning, students. Today we will start the next topic of Class 5 Environmental Studies, Chapter 5 Animal Life. Today's topic is Wildlife and its Protection. So let's start the topic. Students, the first question related to this topic is what is wildlife? So let's understand the meaning of wildlife. Wildlife includes all plants and animals that live in the wild. Students, all the living organisms, whether they are plants or animals who live in jungle or forest, are called as wild animals. Okay? Students, our today's topic is wildlife and its protection. We come to know that what is the meaning of wildlife. Now we will understand why the wildlife need protection. Wildlife need protection because increase in human population has led to cutting down of more and more jungles to clear land for houses and for farming. As a result, wild animals are losing their homes and are dying. Students, as we know that the human population is increasing day by day, and as the human population is increasing day by day, their needs are also increasing. So, to fulfill those needs, human beings are cutting down the jungles to make their houses and for farming. Because of this, the wild animals are losing their homes and are dying. Okay? That is the reason why we need to protect the wildlife. Okay? Now, our next part of today's topic is why people kill wild animals. Here we will understand that why do people kill wild animals. So let's understand the topic. Many animals are killed by poachers. Students, most of the animals are killed by poachers. Now, what is this poacher? Poachers are people who illegally kill animals and sell the products in the market for a high price. Students, poachers are actually the people who kill the animals illegally. The meaning of the word illegally is the act which is against the law. Okay? So, poachers are the people who kill the animals illegally and sell their product in the market at a high price. Okay? Those people are called as poachers. Now, in spite of a ban on poaching, animals are killed for. Students, even poaching is an act which is against the law. It is totally banned. But still, some of the people are killing the animals illegally. Okay? To obtain different type of products. Some examples are polar bears are killed for their fur, elephants are killed for their tusks, rhinos are killed for their horns, tiger, deer, snakes and crocodiles are killed for their skin, and whales are killed for their oil. Okay? So these are some of the examples of animals which are killed illegally to obtain all these products. Okay? Now let's try to understand what is the result of this illegal killing. of animals. This has led many species of plants and animals to become extinct or to be on the verge of extinction. Students, the meaning of extinction or extinct is something which is disappeared or going to disappear. Okay? Understood? So, this illegal killing of wild animals lead to the extinction of animals. Okay? This is the result of this illegal killing, that most of the wild animals either they become extinct, means they are disappeared, or they are on the verge of extinction, means they are going to disappear from the earth. Students, now we discuss the next part of today's topic, wildlife and its protection. After reading about wildlife and why do people kill wild animals, a question arises in our mind: how we can protect wildlife? So there are some measures written on the board to protect the wildlife. We will go through all these points one by one. Okay, so let us start. First point: setting up of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in different parts of the country to save wildlife and their natural habitat. So we can set up the national parks and wildlife sanctuary for wild animals, like in India, Jim Corbett National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Sundarban's Biosphere Reserve are some of the examples, some of the national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in India for animals are there, for wild animals are there. Second point: keeping a check on the growth of human population so that there is no shortage of resources. Third, banning the killing of rare or endangered animals. Point number 4, banning the sale and export of products obtained from endangered animals. And point number 5, undertaking afforestation and celebrating Van Mahotsav, which promote the protection of forest. So in the last point we can say that we have to avoid the process of deforestation and we have to accept the afforestation. Means we have to plant more and more trees so that we can create the home for wild animals. Now in the last part of today's topic, we will talk about some organizations that are involved in the conservation of wildlife. Some of the organizations which are involved in the conservation of wildlife are as follows: World Wide Fund for Nature, short form WWF. Number 2, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, short form IUCN. Number 3, People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, short form PETA. And number 4, United Nations Development Program, UNDP. That is all for today, students. Thank you very much.